starting, so it'll start here in a second.
Hey guys, Terrence here, your computer concierge with Computers Plus, located at 3330 Cobb Parkway, Suite 154 in Acworth, Georgia. Remind you also of our second location at 3470 Electronic Recycling, where they can dispose of your electronic devices safely and securely and destroy any data that you have that you just want to make sure it's like going to be destroyed. You take it to Simple Electronic Recycling. You know, I'm always fascinated when customers always ask me, hey, Terrence, how can I ensure my data is going to be destroyed? I mean, how do I know? Well, Simple Electronic Recycling, they can give you guys a certificate of destruction. And what that means is that your data is going to be destroyed with actually tracking, so you can track and see your data being destroyed. Now, go on our website at computersplususa.com, click the recycle tab and start your ticket today if you're looking to recycle your laptop, your desktop, your TV, any type of device. If you're a small business, residential, these guys can take care of for you simply and easily. Simple Electronic Recycling. Now, Memorial Day is this weekend. Now, I want to make sure everybody stays safe because I know it's the weekend and school's out, so everybody's just letting loose and having a great time. We always got to remember that. Always please be responsible. Do not drink and drive. Put caution in front of you. Just be safe. We want to make sure everybody gets back to work on Tuesday and Wednesday because if you're working for the city government, you got like a 4-day weekend, right? Kat, how many days you got off?
2.
Well, 2 days, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.
Sunday and Monday.
Well, actually, you're supposed to come in Monday.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, managers are supposed to come in on the holidays.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. Oh.
Not when
Why?
Monday's already.
Oh, you're right because your father was in the military, right? Your dad was in the military, right? So it's something special to
20
you.
20 plus
Right?
years.
My father was in the military. My grandma was in the military. My brother was in the military. So I got a lot of military in my family. So if you have anybody that is in military, make sure you buy them something, an ice cream. I mean, I know we just had Mother's Day. This is Memorial Day. So if you see a soldier, buy him a cup of coffee, buy him some ice cream, go up, walk up to him and her, shake their hand and say, look, what you guys do is very tough, and I'm so glad that I can be here with you right now. So
And
give them a
don't
high
forget
five.
What Memorial Day is either. Memorial Day is honoring those that have fallen in the line.
Yes, yes. And also, and it really started back in World War II, right? That was like the big hoorah for Memorial Day, and most people don't realize. So we still have some World War II veterans and World War I veterans. Do we still have some World War I veterans? I'm sure we
I
do.
don't think we do.
Yeah, I think. Well, World War I was in 1930 or 40. I think that was in. That's a quiz. When was World War I? When was it? I want to Google it, but I don't want to Google it because I want to see if someone knows off the top of the head. And when was World War II? Those are times that our great country faced a lot of big decisions in life. And I know it was tough at that time, especially being a minority because you were in a war and you were having segregation here at home. And this is a time that if you see a soldier, walk up to him and her and say, thank you for that freedom. Thank you for fighting for us. And buy them some ice cream because it's hot outside right now. And it's summertime and the school kids or kids and school are out. I'm getting tongue-tied there. So they're out. So what do you want to do? You may need to take this time and check out your computer and get it ready for the new year. Speaking of computers, because we're talking about computers all the time here.
Well, and as a side note, really quickly, if you do visit a fallen soldier's grave and you see coins on it from a penny to a quarter, don't remove it.
So if you see a penny to a quarter
Because
on a
each
tombstone,
one,
you should remove anything off of
like
a tombstone.
on,
I mean, not
people,
like if you're removing anything from a tombstone that isn't yours, you're a bad person to begin with.
No.
So, but explain to me
but
what the
it's
penny to quarter means.
For everybody in the military, everybody that served and everything. Each denomination, penny, nickel, dime, quarter, they have meanings for them.
What?
So, in regards to what they are on the tombstones, and a lot of people not knowing that, they think it's
Free money?
junk or no. They just think that the person.
Please,
it's
if
not-
you're
it's
listening
not
to this
fair.
podcast and you see some coins on a tombstone, I'm not sure what they mean because Kat didn't really tell me what they meant, but do not remove anything off anyone's tombstone. Put flowers.
A lot of people, but
Don't
here's the thing,
take money.
A lot of
I
and you're just
would not
honoring
think
that
it's
pin.
junk, but I would just think it's money. But
A
it's okay.
penny means that anybody's visited.
A penny means anybody visited.
Meaning you or me or whomever.
Oh, okay.
The thing.
Oh, okay. So there's symbolic
There's
meaning
symbolic
for
meanings
different coins.
behind
So a
the
penny means
coins.
like anybody's visited. And then what does a nickel mean?
Let me see because I don't remember what each denomination
Well,
is.
while she's Googling that, I'm going to talk about the Apple sale. Buy one, get one half off. If you see an Apple device here and school, some people are still going to school during the summertime, and you need a computer that's reliable, backed by a 3-month warranty, in-house warranty, so you don't have to send it out to a different state or different country and get on the phone with a manufacturer and get an RMA number and say, oh my gosh, bring it to Computers Plus. We're going to take care of that for you guys here in-house. We don't ship anything out. We do it in-house. So that Apple sale is happening in-house. We also have it online as well. You want information on our online website, check out computersplusa.com. Click that shop option, and you'll look at all of our products that we have online because we're making them more available for people. We actually had a customer out of California last week, and she got an iMac from us, a sweet deal from us, and we love giving deals for technology because technology changes so rapidly, and we try to get technology in and out, and that's why we go to the CS shows every year, because we want to get our hands on the technology, figure it out, check it out, see if it makes sense in our area, see if it makes sense to you, and then we come bring it back here and then talk about it. We did that every year until COVID happened, which the CS show, Consumer Electronic Trade Show, is happening in January. You may see us there because it's time for us to get back. COVID is like over. They have lifted the restrictions, and people are now able to socialize, and nobody's distancing. And then what happens, more people are getting online, and more people are getting viruses, and more people are getting hacked. And it's happening every single day. And the best thing that you can do is get that information to your friends and family to help protect them. And that's what we all got to be. We all got to be our own brothers keepers. Speaking about brothers keepers, hey, Apex Roofing, I know you guys saw that blog. Apex Roofing, great company. They're honest. They did my roof, and it was just an amazing job. These guys did it in one day. So if you guys need any type of roofing in Woodstock, Canton, Kennesaw, Acworth, these guys go all over. Him and Morgan, great family, great daughter as well. Check out Apex Roofing. I put a little. I've been blowing them up. I say, hey, yo, man, Andrew, I'm gonna blow, dude. You guys are awesome. I'm gonna talk about you guys because I like talking about small business as much as possible because there's a lot of businesses out there that are amazing that people just don't know about. Speaking of businesses, have you guys seen Laura Hart food truck? Oh, the cheesy truck. I mean, if you have a graduation, a bar mitzvah, a ceremony, and you want to just take it to another level, call the cheesy truck. They are an amazing company, make great food. They also have another truck that does New Orleans food, which is really great. It's really good. So check them out as well. And I'm all about promoting small businesses because, you got these big businesses that are on television. We're bombarded by all this stuff. And it's like we never get to see the local businesses around us and get to hear them. There was a time, Kat, where Walmart was seen as the enemy because they were crushing small businesses. They were destroying mom and pop shops. And now it's changing. That tide is changing.
Well, I mean, we still, when we were doing a bunch of stuff, we would go around and promote the businesses.
Yeah. Pinball Portal.
Which is
Portal Pinball. Okay, I come from the time of popping quarters into a video game, spending all your money on a video game. Like not the actual owning it, but actually putting quarters into it. And even though I still had the Nintendo, it was like that video game. That was like what it was about. It was in the mall. It was fun. Your friends were there. Everything cost a quarter. And, so Pinball Portal is a awesome place to go through to bring back that nostalgia. They serve drinks, they serve food. Great. It's right next to the old Best Buy, the old Best Buy. So guys, check them out. You gotta check them out. Gustin's is another restaurant that's local around here. Really great place. I've been going to a great chiropractor called Align Life in Woodstock. Yeah, we've been out in Woodstock. You know, been kind of circling because we're looking at Woodstock. And I go to this really great chiropractor. Her name is Dr. Taylor Hopkins, and she's a great chiropractor. And I've been going to her for the past 3 weeks, and I've been feeling great. So make sure you guys check on your back because as we get older, our muscles don't act like they're supposed to anymore.
Or if you sit in a chair.
Or if you sit in a chair and you slouch, or like everything, all that just starts to compact. So, always thinking about you guys. Always want to make sure you guys are healthy physically as well as in your technology. So. Did you ever find that information for the quarters? Okay, great. Tell me. Okay, so a penny means what?
So penny means that you're showing respect.
Showing respect. Okay.
Me, Joe Schmo out there.
So,
whomever.
okay, penny shows respect.
It's an individual who goes to
Okay.
the tombstone and
Okay.
does not know
So like anybody, just like you said. Okay. So what's a nickel?
The nickel means that you and the deceased, the veteran, trained at boot camp together.
Oh, so you were in the same military together.
You trained at boot camp.
Oh, same trained at boot camp.
Same,
Okay.
trained at boot camp.
Got you.
A dime means you and the deceased veteran served together in some capacity or way. So
Oh.
in the same area.
Same area.
Same,
Okay, so penny is anybody.
Anybody.
Nickel is I was in boot camp at the
Yep.
same time.
Yep.
Dime is we were actually at war together. We were actually stationed,
It doesn't necessarily mean
but we were
war,
stationed together. Stationed together. Okay.
And then a quarter means that you are a senior officer and you're visiting.
Oh, of course, a senior officer.
Senior officer.
Okay.
And everything else. I know there's a little bit
So we
more
got-
to a quarter, but I know that quarter means
It's like
that
someone
it's a
higher
higher
official
officer.
came up and regular, possibly a general, a colonel, someone of a higher status came to that tombstone and said, "Hey, I knew who this person was.
Exactly.
They were an amazing person," and they put a
And
quarter
I'm,
on.
showing, this is my way of showing you, honor and respect.
So we have a penny,
Nickel.
nickel, dime, quarter, $half dollar.
No.
No half
they don't
dollar.
they don't do the half dollars or anything
Okay.
because most people don't even have the half dollars. But those are memories, and a lot of people.
$half dollar should be the president
Like the reason I say that is because a lot of people it's come about.
or the bank chairman.
Where like they've done TikTok videos and stuff like that, where they see the penny on the tombstone, and the people actually are picking the penny
Oh.
up. And
You know what?
taking the penny
Let me
off
tell you,
because
cat.
they think
Don't
it's
believe
crap.
everything you see on TikTok.
No.
I've noticed you.
No.
Don't believe everything you
No,
see on TikTok.
Terrence, he did it. He
Okay,
specifically
okay,
sat there and showed everybody
okay.
he was
I'm,
removing it.
and don't get me wrong.
And when
If
they
you
did
see, a penny, a nickel,
No.
a
If you see
dime, or a
any-
quarter
any amount.
on a tombstone, please don't remove it for any reason. If you see flowers, don't remove it. If you see a duck, don't remove it because
Or a flag.
somebody knew that person, put that there for that person. So I know a lot of people try to get this instant famous on TikTok, and some people believe things that are on TikTok because there's a lot of things that are scripted. Storage Wars was scripted. A lot of these things that we see on television are scripted to kind of get a reaction. But I just hope that it was scripted because
It wasn't though.
I would.
That's
Well,
the thing, is it was not scripted
let's just
because
hope.
No, it wasn't scripted because the person that sat there and had a response to it was actually a veteran and explained it to.
Well,
why not
exactly. So
because the
someone
person thought he was
Someone
speaking
responded,
crap.
"You gotta stop believing TikTok." She's like National Enquirer. Okay.
they
Don't
were-
believe everything you see on TikTok. Sometimes
No, it's
things
not
are
even
just
believing it.
sometimes
You
things are
don't
just
take
scripted.
anything off of
Just
the
like, oh
tombstone.
yeah, never.
Don't
Please.
disrespect the person who's a fallen soldier.
Please. I am praying for everyone out there that we have a better moral standard, and getting the information out there to you guys is how we do that. Because I would have never known what a penny, dime, nickel, quarter meant on a tombstone. Although I would never take it off. Maybe if it was 10 feet from it, then then it's fair game.
No. They sit it on
Yeah.
top of the tombstone.
Hey, I'm lucky, but if it's on the tombstone, please don't touch it. 10 feet away, it's open game. Okay. No. So what are we talking about? Memorial Day, right?
Memorial Day.
Honoring soldiers that fought in this country for different reasons. Throughout the
They lost their lives in
time.
service.
Yeah. I had my grandfather was in the military, my father was in the military, my grandmother was in the military, my brother was in the military, so I had a lot of military in my family. So I used to have to, like, my dad would come in and he would hit a quarter on the bed, and the quarter, if you had anybody that was in Navy, if you're a Navy brat like I was, my dad we would have to make our beds, and he would drop a quarter. If that quarter didn't bounce off,
Yep.
we had to remake the bed. So I made a lot of beds.
I still carried my challenge coins.
Your challenge coins?
I still carry my challenge coins.
Weren't you were in ROTC, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
But a lot of some of the challenge coins I actually got were from Dad and his boys.
Oh, it wasn't from yours?
No, our ROTC doesn't need challenge coins. Because you know what a challenge coin means. You know what a challenge coin is.
A challenge coin is a coin that's given in the military for, like, different cadence, right?
It's for different cadences, people you've been introduced to and stuff like that. But challenge coins very specifically have meanings if you go out with your group of boys or girls or your group, and somebody throws down
A challenge coin.
as I'm trying to throw something
Right? This is her challenge coin.
and
So
everything else like that, and you're out for drinks, somebody throws down the challenge coin, everybody else pulls out theirs, the person that does not have it buys the round.
Oh.
The person that, if everybody on site
Has it.
then the person who
Was the last person to throw it out?
No. The first person.
Has
So
to buy
the
everybody a drink.
The first person who sits there and challenges everybody, if everybody has
Has his
their
coin, they about the
they
drink.
have to
Oh,
buy
that's
the round.
fun.
And that's the way it was for the ammo troops. Now
Oh, okay.
every little group's different and everything else like that.
Yeah.
That's the challenge coin for ammo troops. Is,
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go drinking with my boys.
Boys
and
and
everything else like that.
who has the coin?
I'm gonna sit here and throw down on my challenge coin.
Yeah.
Now, with that being said, the other difference with challenge coins is the higher challenge coin you got is the winner. And the lower challenge coin you have, that person buys the drinks.
Oh.
And there's different ways.
Well, if you happen to be
stuff
out
like that.
drinking on the
So-
weekends and you're a responsible adult and you are having a few adult beverages, you see a soldier, buy him around.
Yeah.
That's a challenge for us that haven't served in the military, is to give honor and give thanks to someone that is living in the military and buy them around or buy them a coffee. And don't take any money off any tombstones or anything, please. That's a new one I learned. So let's see. So we talked about Apple. We talked about the memorial for Memorial Day, about what it means. I also want to talk about our hours. Now, our hours on Monday are going to be from 9 to 12. So if you have a repair that needs to come in, or a repair that's being picked up, or maybe you're looking to get a new device, you have to come in from 9 to 12 on Memorial Day to get that done, because at 12 o'clock I'm barbecuing and I'm going to get out of here and have some fun with the family. I encourage you to have some fun too. I'm Terrence, your computer concierge, signing off. I'll see you guys soon. Have a great and awesome weekend. Have fun with your kids. Hug those kiddos. Hug mom and dad. Tell them you love them. And we'll see you guys soon. Bye.